In today's video, I'm going to show you how to curve text in Pixlr in just a few simple steps. This is a great trick if you want to make your designs look more professional, create logo-style text, make social media graphics stand out, or simply add a creative touch to your project. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy design guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Pixlr and make sure you're working on the design or image where you want to add curved text. Once your project is open, the first step is to select the text tool. You can do this by pressing T on your keyboard or by clicking the text icon in the left toolbar. This opens up the text editing options so you can start typing your message. Next, click anywhere on the canvas and type the text you want to curve. You can enter a short word, a name, a title, or even a full phrase depending on the look you're going for. After typing your text, make sure the text layer is still selected. This part is important because the curve settings only appear when the text layer is active. Now look at the top menu bar and find the Styles button. Click on Styles to open the text styling options. Inside this menu, you'll see the Curve option. Toggle the Curve switch to On. As soon as you turn it on, Pixlr will allow you to bend your text into different shapes. From here, you can choose the curve style that works best for your design. If you want a gentle bend, select Arc. Then use the amount slider to drag left or right until the text curves the way you want. Moving the slider one way will bend the text upward, and moving it the other way will curve it downward. This is perfect for subtle text effects that still look clean and modern. If you want something more dramatic, choose Circle. This wraps your text into a full ring shape, which is ideal for logo designs, badges, stamps, and emblems. Circle text can really help your design stand out, especially if you're creating something with a bold branded look. If you only want part of a circle, select half. This gives you a semicircle effect, which is useful for headers, decorative text, and creative compositions. It's a really nice option when you want curved text without fully wrapping it around. As you adjust the curve, keep an eye on the spacing and readability. Sometimes a small tweak makes a big difference. You can resize the text, change the font, or reposition the text layer to help it fit your design better. If the curve looks too strong, reduce the amount. If it looks too flat, increase it until it matches the style you want. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can curve text in Pixlr and make your graphics look much more polished and creative. Whether you're designing for YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, logos, or personal projects, this is a simple effect that can add a lot of value. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Pixlr tutorials and easy design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.